Just walked out the door and you got the fox. It's nice, isn't it? Right outside my door. You can see that the street's just there. I think this one's got a little bit of a limp on his back leg. Look how calm he is. I'm nearly approaching, but I don't think I don't need to get too close to him. Put my hand down and see what happens. Come on. Come on. Hello. Good morning. See, he's not shy at all, is he? Not shy at all. Not shy at all that when we just walked on that curb. I'm really close enough to him. Having a chat to him a little. Hello. How's it going? So let's have a morning with the fox. So I'm gonna interview you, ready?
Yeah, I am. Well, on there, there's a motorbike over there. Right, I've been out all night, I've been drinking. I've had too much to drink. I don't know, my arse, my elbow. And Jesus, I think I say, oh, there's someone, the pub's open.
So you look a bit red around the eyes.
Yeah. Been chasing my tail all night.
Have you? It's fun?
Well, it's fun till you get dizzy. And then you can start spinning and spinning and spinning. Oh, left right there. Oh, what's going on over there? What are they looking at? What are you looking at? What?
Oh, I see you.
What are you looking at? I see you there. Hmm? Nice pair of trainers on you have. Oh, it's over there. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, bless you. Bless us.